How to unban WhatsApp account in 2026. If your WhatsApp account is currently banned, this video is for you. Watch the video from the beginning to the end because I'll be revealing the step-by-step guide I use to unban WhatsApp account. My name is Ezekiel. Since 2024, I've been in this niche helping business owners unban their banned WhatsApp account and also protect their WhatsApp from future ban. There are three steps you need to take in order to get your banned WhatsApp account active. The first step is understand the cause of the WhatsApp ban. There are many causes of WhatsApp ban. It may be spam, it may be report, blocking, there are many. Then you need to ask yourself, what did I do that caused WhatsApp to actually ban my account? Most time bans happen. It may be a mistake caused by their community. That one is separate. But ask yourself, be genuine with yourself, what did I do that caused WhatsApp to ban my account? Then we move to the next step. The next step is using ChatGPT to write your appeal. Open your ChatGPT app. After you have now understand what caused or made WhatsApp to ban your account, you tell that ChatGPT to write you an appeal to send to WhatsApp. If you have not done anything wrong, just ask ChatGPT to write you an appeal and ChatGPT will do that. Step 3. Contacting WhatsApp through their official channel. Open your Chrome browser, search for WhatsApp Contact Center, click Contact Us. Then you fill in your details, your phone number, your email, and the message ChatGPT gave you. Then you click Send Question. Now, you wait for 24 to 72 hours, that is 2 to 3 days. If your WhatsApp account is not actually bad, it means that you are actually doing it in the wrong way. Check the link in my bio to reach out to me to lay your complaint or comment help in the comment section.